If you don't have any email account, then there is no worry. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new email account for you. So before starting, I will tell you something that there are some misconceptions, which is email account, Gmail account, Google account and Play Store account is different. You think that, right? But that's not true. All are same. So let me show you actually how can you create a new email account for you. So let's start the process. So for creating an email address from your mobile phone, first of all, you will need to go to your Gmail application and then you need to click here this profile icon. I mean, if you already have, but if you don't have any email address, that time you will find another interface, which is this kind of interface, add an email address. So you need to click add an email address, this option. So let's go to the Gmail application. And right now, click here your profile icon, then scroll down and in the bottom you can see add another account, this option. So you need to click this one. So right now there you can see there is Google, Outlook, Hotmail and Live, Yahoo, every single email. You can find it here. So you need to decide which email address you want to create. So right now I want to create from Google. Okay, so let me click this one. Then give here your fingerprint. So you need to click here create account, this option, then choose for my personal use. But if you want to create for your business, that time you can choose your business. Okay, so let me click here for my personal use, then give here your first name and surname is optional, so let me choose mine. So after choosing this name, let me click here next option. Then I need to choose my date of birth. Just make sure you give your date of birth above 18 years. Otherwise, maybe you couldn't create a new email account. Okay, so let me give my this date of birth. This is actually random date of birth I choose. So let me click here gender. So I'm male. Then click here next option. So sometimes it will suggest a new email address automatically, but if you don't have any suggestion, that time you need to create your own email address. Okay, so let me write here my own email address, and if I try to create that time, let me show you. So it's that username is taken, so try another. So I need to select this one, Ivan Austin 961, because it's already available. Okay, so now click here next option. Then you need to choose here your password. So just make sure you give a strong password, some mixer letters, number and symbol. Okay, so let me give my password in here. So after giving my password, let me click on next option again. And you can see review your account information. So you can use this email address to sign in later. So I have already created my email address. Okay, so I need to click on next option, and sometimes it can ask your phone number, and if it asks, that time just give your phone number and verify your phone number, so that from later you can recover your password if you forget your password. Okay, so let me click here I agree, this option. So my account already created. So let me go to this profile icon again and then find out my that new email address. And you can see in the bottom there is my new email address. Okay, so let me choose this one again and again go to my this profile icon. Then let me click here manage your Google account. Then there are some notice available for you. So you need to click here personal information. Then just add here your phone number and add a recovery phone number and add some two-step verification so that you don't kick out from your Google account. So that's it, guys. So by this easiest process, you can create a new email account for you. So thank you so much for watching this video.